In just a short while, 8 Republican presidential candidates are scheduled to debate in Wisconsin, but notably missing will be frontrunner former President Donald Trump, who instead will be interviewed by a former Fox employee. This before turning himself in tomorrow in connection with his latest indictment in Georgia. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Tracy, good evening to you. Tonight, President Joe Biden, who remains on vacation in Nevada, told reporters earlier today he plans on watching the Republican debate, or as much of it as he possibly can. Now, meanwhile, Republicans taking the stage tonight in Milwaukee would like to send the president on a permanent vacation far away from the White House.
As the race for the White House intensifies, Democrats blast Republicans before tonight's debate, saying the 2024 contest will be a battle between hope versus fear.
We will see that on the stage tonight with all of the Republicans that are running for president. They are running to be the most extreme, running to be Trump-like in many ways.
As for the former president, he won't be debating tonight in Milwaukee, instead announcing he'll be interviewed by former Fox News host Tucker Carlson on social media. And then Thursday, plans to turn himself in at the Fulton County Jail in Atlanta to be booked on charges of illegally scheming to overturn his 2020 election loss in Georgia.
They're going to degrade themselves by doing a mugshot of me.
Former New York Mayor Rudy Giuliani, who faces charges related to his work as a lawyer for Donald Trump after the general election and was recently indicted along with several others, left for Georgia this morning to turn himself in.
It's not accidental that they've indicted all his lawyers. Never heard of that before. In America, all the lawyers indicted. Now, whether you dislike or you like Donald Trump, let me give you a warning. They're going to come for you.
And while the Trump trials play out, one pro-life organization hopes that in Milwaukee tonight, the candidates will resolutely address protecting the unborn.
What we're hoping to hear from the candidates is a very honest assessment of the situation, recognizing that the unborn child deserves rights just like anybody else outside the womb.
Now, the time frame for the debate starts at 9 p.m. Eastern tonight. Should last about 2 hours. Taking the stage, Ron DeSantis, Nikki Haley, Tim Scott, Asa Hutchinson, Mike Pence, Chris Christie, Vivek Ramaswamy, and Doug Burgum. Now, Doug Burgum, he hurt himself playing basketball, had to go to the ER, so his appearance tonight is questionable up on that stage in Milwaukee. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.